So the past couple of days, we've been seeing a lot of negative reports on Bitcoin, and people are worried it's going to crash, and a lot of people saying it's just an inflated price, and even though we're seeing institutional adoption. But there's one thing, and I say experts are pointing to, and when I say experts, I mean people who follow crypto for a long time, but what's scaring them has been all over the websites that I haven't really seen talking about in social media, and it's something called the Kimchi Premium. So the Kimchi Premium is basically the spread between the price of Bitcoin in South Korea compared to Western exchanges. And when that inflates, it's usually a bad sign or precursor for Bitcoin to come down a lot. Now let's take a look at what this means. So if we're looking at Bitcoin, all the major sites, they have stories on this. And even though it's not being reported too much outside of the crypto world, so it's trading at 66,000. So right now we're at 57,000, and we're off a little bit off the highs of 61,000. I think it was 61.6 for Bitcoin. So there's a spread in between there, and this spread is due to numerous reasons. I mean, they say it's caused by the different economies, different regulation, or whatever. But it doesn't happen often. This spread could get us pretty high. And right now it's about 15%. So you're seeing it mentioned all over sites. This was the Kimchi Premium first appeared in 2016, University of Calgary study. If you want to be bored and pretty much poke your eyes out and kill yourself, basically, if you're looking, I read this report, 34 pages, and man, it is kind of boring. But, it's kind of a real thing that people follow, so which is why it's worth mentioning here. So you're seeing here, this is 11% a couple days ago, and it's gone up to 15%. So when we look at this, I want to show you exactly what this is. So the Kimchi Premium, by the way, this is like named as a pickled side dish for some reason. I have no idea. But here's a chart, a little blurry. So I put 1819. This is the year's 2021. And when we look here, Kimchi Premium, it's when the red line and the green line basically separate, right? That's the difference. That's the premium with the red line. Last time this happened, look at the date. This is almost at the top of the market when crypto completely crashed. So now we're looking here, and we're seeing a pretty big premium, 15%. That's what it was around there, a little bit more over here. But Kimchi Premium, this is what's really scaring people, saying, okay, now that we're seeing this premium again, that this could result in Bitcoin coming down sharply. So look, it is what it is. I want to try to explain it to you. If Bitcoin does come down, I'm going to pay a lot of attention to this indicator, right? If it doesn't, I'm just going to chalk it up to whatever, another, BS chart pattern, or that people say, you got to follow, or you're going to lose your money, and this and that, and breakout stuff like that. But the bottom line is pay attention to this. People are talking about it. Don't dismiss it and say, it doesn't matter, because it does matter. And let's see if we continue to see Bitcoin come down. It hasn't come down that much, though, but we're seeing a lot of industry experts, so-called experts that follow Bitcoin for a while, they're coming out and saying, hey, you know what, we expect a short-term pullback, and that pullback could be significant if this Kimchi Premium is for real. We'll see in the coming days. Either way, maybe we were taking a little bit off the table here, since you should be up a ton, especially if you're a Crypto Intelligence subscriber, which our average position is up over 750%. Any questions, comments, feel free to email me at frankcurzioresearch.com. As always, I'll get back to you guys soon. Take it easy.